How to change currency in Shein app. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can change currency in your Shein app. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing you will need to do is make sure that you have the Shein app installed. After you've installed it, make sure that you have logged in into your account. And after you do that, this will be the interface you'll be on. Now what you'll need to do is head over to the Me section that is on the bottom right corner. Tap on it and on the top right you should find an option like a gear icon, that is the settings icon. Tap on it. After you tap on it, here you should see all of your settings, and right there one of the settings will be called currency. You can tap on currency and here you will be able to change your currency. Now as you can see right here, you have the USD, you have your Canadian dollars, you have your euros and many others. Now simply choose your preferred currency and that's basically it. Now all of your prices and all of your items and their pricing will be on euro or simply the currency that you choose. And it's that simple. That is basically how you change your currency on your Shein app. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.